In today's tutorial, we're diving into an exciting effect that can take your video projects to the next level, the building rising from the ground effect. Whether you're working on an intro, a movie scene, or just experimenting with animation, this effect is sure to grab your audience's attention. First, upload the image you want to edit. Next, drag and drop it onto the editing screen. Then, right-click on the image and select Set as Background. Click on Edit Image. Select Magic Grab. Then click on the building you want to make rise. Wait a moment for the tool to process and isolate the object. Then click the Grab button. Now the tool has successfully isolated the object. After that, click on the building and select Animate. There are many animation effects available, but in this case, we'll choose Breathe. After that, adjust the speed to your preference. And that's it. With just a few simple steps in Canva, you can create a stunning building rising from the ground effect that's sure to impress. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks.